Hi kids, today we will learn the names of birds. Let's get started. Sparrow, this is a sparrow. Sparrow, this is a sparrow. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Robin, this is a robin. Robin, this is a robin. Parrot, this is a parrot. Parrot, this is a parrot. Peacock, this is a peacock. Peacock, this is a peacock. Eagle, this is an eagle. Eagle, this is an eagle. Owl, this is an owl. Owl, this is an owl. Duck, this is a duck. Duck, this is a duck. Swan, this is a swan. Swan, this is a swan. Kingfisher, this is a kingfisher. Kingfisher, this is a kingfisher. Woodpecker, this is a woodpecker. Woodpecker, this is a woodpecker. Flamingo, this is a flamingo. Flamingo, this is a flamingo. Hummingbird, this is a hummingbird. Hummingbird, this is a hummingbird. Dove, this is a dove. Dove, this is a dove. Falcon, this is a falcon. Falcon, this is a falcon.